For the carrot cake recipe, you need 4 eggs. You will need brown sugar. You will need applesauce. I made applesauce myself. And you will need olive oil. And you will need white sugar. And you will need vanilla. And you will need 2 cups of flour. And you will need baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, ground cinnamon, and don't forget the oil. And you add the sugar, white sugar. The brown sugar, mix them together. Add the applesauce. And then you add the eggs. Mix together. Add the cinnamon, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and then we fold in the flour slowly. And then comes our last ingredient, which are the carrots. Oh, the vanilla with filling. I put all of it. I love vanilla. Now it's ready. Our cake is ready for baking. You bake for around 30 minutes. Cake is ready.